Recently, a client of mine asked me, how do you develop confidence? Is it something you're born with or can you learn it? I'm so glad they asked. Confidence is something you can learn, and it's such an important skill to have not only as a new leader, but as a human being. Life is so much easier when you're confident in yourself and your choices. Hi, I'm Lauren, your guide for new leaders. If you find this video helpful or informative, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and feel free to share this with a friend. Today, we're going to be looking at 3 simple steps you can take to increase your confidence right now. Yes, even you. First, we're going to make a list of what you've achieved. This can be personal, professional, volunteer work, hobbies, whatever. It is so easy to focus on all the things we haven't done yet and want to do. You have to make a concerted effort to look back at what you have done. Think about the projects you've completed at work, the milestones you've reached in your personal life, the times you've stepped out of your comfort zone to try something new, or the instances when you've shown kindness to others. Don't forget about the little victories either. Perhaps you've managed to keep a plant alive, which is no small feat for me personally, or cooked a new recipe that turned out great. These are all achievements worth celebrating. Not only that, but take it a step further and make reviewing your achievements a habit. Take a few minutes every day or once a week to review everything you've accomplished recently. This could be during your morning coffee, your commute home, or as part of a winding down routine before bed. You can write it down if you want, which I recommend, or just think it through, whatever works for you. Consider keeping an achievement journal where you record all your successes. It doesn't have to be fancy, a simple notebook will do, or you could use a digital note-taking app if you prefer. I use Notion every day as a sort of bullet journal to write in every morning and evening. Just a quick minute to jot down important thoughts, achievements, and self-affirmations. I recommend you write it down so when you're having those moments of self-doubt, you can look back at all your written accomplishments for a little pick-me-up. You can see how far you've come instead of focusing on how far you still want to go, which can help make the future path not seem so daunting because, hey, look at what you've already accomplished. And don't just list your achievements, write a little bit about each one. What was the challenge? How did you overcome it? What did you learn? This will give you a sense of progress, and it'll also help you understand that you're capable of overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. I work with my clients to design a simple, regular habit like this to keep their achievements top of mind for themselves. We work together to figure out the cadence and level of detail that works best for them, and then we refine the practice as we learn more about what works and what doesn't. In addition to this, celebrate your achievements with others. Sharing your successes not only multiplies the joy, but also reinforces your sense of accomplishment. So go ahead and share your wins, no matter how small, with your friends, family, or teammates. They'll be happy to celebrate with you. The second thing you can do to increase your self-confidence today is set some short-term, realistic goals for yourself. By setting some realistic short-term goals, you can give yourself some quick wins for an ego boost when you really need it. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART goals. This helps to ensure that your goals are clear and reachable. Your goals can be personal or professional. Maybe you want to try a new workout class. Do a bit of research, find out what kind of classes are available in your area that fit your interests, yoga, Zumba, kickboxing, Pilates. Then set a goal to attend a certain number of classes per week or month. Or maybe you want to try a new local restaurant. You could turn this into a mini adventure by setting a goal to try a new dish each time you visit, or aim to visit every restaurant in your town over a certain period of time. Or it can be as small as sending a birthday card for a friend or family member. Ideally when they have a birthday soon, but if you just want to send one for an unbirthday, you go right ahead. Who doesn't love getting mail that isn't a bill? Maybe you could even consider writing a heartfelt, personalized message inside the card, something that tells them how much they mean to you. This act of kindness won't just make their day, but yours too, because doing good deeds for others can actually boost our own mood and self-esteem. Let me know in the comments below what small, simple goal you're going to set for yourself this week. Writing it down is putting it out into the universe to actually make it happen. On the professional front, your goal could be as simple as completing a work project ahead of the deadline, or reading a business book to enhance your skills. Or maybe you've been meaning to network more, so you could set a goal to reach out to a certain number of new contacts each week. As part of my program for new leaders, I work with clients to practice setting short, measurable goals. The sense of accomplishment when they achieve these goals is a powerful motivator that boosts their confidence. This not only improves their confidence, it also fosters a results-driven and goal-oriented mindset so that they can make a meaningful impact on their teams and organizations. Planning these goals and actually accomplishing them will give you a fantastic sense of accomplishment and a quick boost to your confidence. Each time you achieve a goal, no matter how small, it's a testament to your ability to commit and follow through. Before I get to the last step, if you found this video helpful or informative, go ahead and subscribe and feel free to pass it along to a friend. Finally, do some professional development. Now, don't roll your eyes at me, I'm not suggesting anything super intense. I'm talking about a little bite-sized pieces of learning that can fit into your day as easily as that morning cup of coffee. Professional development is great for boosting your confidence as a leader. It helps you learn new skills, and yes, it even makes you sound really smart in meetings. Oh, this? Just something I picked up in a recent webinar, you'll say casually as everyone else oohs and ahs at your fabulous idea. So where can you get this magical confidence booster? Well, here are a few quick activities to get you started. First, read a blog post. There are tons of fantastic blogs out there covering every topic under the sun. Find a few relevant to your industry or role, and make a habit of reading an article during your lunch break or before bed. You could start with my own blog I've linked below. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Watch a YouTube video. YouTube isn't just for cat videos anymore, which, if you found this video, you probably already know. But you can also look for TED Talks on leadership, tutorials on specific skills you want to enhance, or interviews with successful leaders in your field. 3. Listen to a podcast. Podcasts are perfect for those moments when you can't necessarily read or watch something, like during your commute or while doing chores. HBR IdeaCast and the Leadership Toolbox are great ones to start with. 4. Take a short online course. Sites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer short courses on a ton of subjects. You could learn everything from strategic decision-making to the art of persuasion. 5. Join a webinar or online workshop. Keep an eye out for relevant webinars or workshops happening in your industry or in your area. These often offer the added bonus of networking opportunities. Remember, the goal here isn't to become an expert overnight, it's to continuously learn and grow. So don't stress if you can't do all of these things every day. Even just picking one activity to do regularly can make a big difference. Before you know it, you'll be dropping knowledge bombs left and right, and your confidence as a leader will grow exponentially. Now that you know how to build your confidence as a leader with some quick wins, the next step is to learn how to embrace failure as a leader. Once you know failure is okay, and even necessary to be successful, that's when your confidence will really take off. You can check out my video on failure here. Thanks! Talk to you soon!